Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Gurpreet from Database Canvas, and today we are going to learn about custom maps in Tableau and how we can enhance the existing map capability in Tableau using MapBox. So first of all, what is a MapBox Studio? So it's a map software company that crafts beautiful maps and enables users to focus on designing and customizing the maps. So these maps can be customized from showing the traffic to geographical areas, boundaries, changing the colors, creating 3D building structures, and a lot more. So today we are going to learn how we can customize the map in Tableau using Mapbox. So let's get started. As you can see in this particular dashboard, I'm trying to show the accidents in a CBD where we are showing it in a heat map on a geographical map format. So this is a simple map which Tableau has provided us, and I will show you how we can modify this map using Mapbox. So for that, first of all, we have to log into Mapbox site. So for that, we will be going to mapboxstudio.com. And in order to create or customize your own map, first of all, you have to create your account, which is free to set up. And once you log into your account, it will look something like this, so once it's loaded, I will show you what I mean. Okay, here you go. So this will be the account page where you will see all these settings, tools, and resources. So in order to go to design your maps in the studio, you have to click on design in the MapBox Studio here, or you can go to your account and click to studio here. Either way, you can go to the MapBox Studio, and once you go to the MapBox Studio, there are out-of-the-box template which Mapbox provides us, which already exist there. We can use those ones, or we can create our new ones. So for that, first of all, you have to go to New Styles. Click on the new styles and you will see all these templates which are out of the box from Mapbox company. And first one is the basic template, which is the best way to get started, which gives us the basic information, as you can see on the right hand side, with all the geographical areas, boundaries, all the basic setup, which normally we have it in Tableau as well. But this is just the template. So once you get into the template, you can make changes into that and do whatever you want in terms of color coding and a lot more other stuff. And I will get into more details after going through all these templates. So then the second template is monochrome, which, as the name suggests, it's just one color. So you can change different colors from the bottom section. As you can see here, if you want a dark color, it will be one dark color, which is dark gray. Or even if you want golden color, you can see the entire color of the map changes to golden. So that way you can change different colors and settings using this monochrome template. Then the next one is the street template, which is a complete base map, perfect for incorporating your own data. So you can create your own data in these kind of maps as well. And as you can see on the top, you can create your own data sets and overlay on top of these maps to use these maps in Tableau. And then the next one is outdoor template, which shows us all the contour lines and all other geographical layouts if you want to show something on the contour map diagram type of thing. So you can use these kind of maps. And then the satellite street view. So again, this is the default view, but you can enhance and add a lot of things into this kind of map as well. And the last one is navigation. As the name suggests, it's the light and dark base map, which is used for navigation purpose. And again, it can be customized the way we want it. So let's start using navigation template. And once you click on this navigation template, you just have to customize the navigation. And once you click on that, it will take you to the customizable mode. And here you can do all the editing of these kind of maps. So on the left hand side, you can see all the different layers and components. So you have administrative boundaries, buildings, land and water, natural feature, place labels, and a lot of other ones. So we can go to individual settings and edit the colors if we want. So if we want the lighter color, we can select lighter color. We can change the country boundaries. All these other settings, we can go and change the way we want it. Then going to the building section, you can include the house numbers if you want, include the 3D building layout, which we can use that, and we can include the underground structure like malls and subway stations in the maps as well. So like that, you can go to each of these settings and change, and you can also change the color labels and typography and a lot of other things. So I won't go into too much detail, but I'm just guiding in terms of how and where we can make these changes to customize these maps, and then how we can integrate these maps with Tableau. So another interesting one is in the road network, where you can actually show traffic signals where we have traffic signals on maps, and also we can show the live traffic. So it shows and update the traffic continuously. So if I click on this one, it will update the traffic, and it's currently working on it. So once it's updated the traffic, you can see here, and if I zoom in a little bit, you can see the live traffic on these maps, and these maps can be utilized in our existing Tableau dashboard, where we are trying to show how the traffic moves, or the geographical layers overlay on our existing data, or even if we are trying to show the distance travel between two different cities or points, or how much time people are taking to travel to work based on these real-time traffic data sets. So that's really a cool feature. And once you have done all these settings and everything is done, you can simply go to publish the layout or the template, or you can directly share as well. So I will publish it first, and once I publish it, you can simply publish it as new, or you can publish, if you haven't have any other navigation template, you can simply publish it. Because I already have existing templates, so I will publish it as a new one. So I simply do done here, and once that is done, I simply go back to styles. So here you can see these are all my styles which I have created or edited. So in this case, I have created recently just now the navigation copy, which I just showed you. So what we need to do is just share your style. Once I click on share your style, first of all, I have to make it public so I can use it in Tableau as well. So even if someone accesses our dashboard, so they will be able to see this layout, this template of the map. So once it's made public, so it is done, so it allows the copying. Then in the developer resources, we have to go to third party, and then under the drop down there, we have to select Tableau. Once we have selected Tableau, we have to go to integration URL and click copy on this link. Once that link is copied, we will simply go to the dashboard, and in this dashboard, I will simply go to the map section and go to background maps, and then I will go to manage maps. Once I click on that, I would like to create a new map which I have just created. So I will click on add, and then I will click on MapBox Maps, and here I will paste the URL which I've copied, and then just click on that, and it will automatically fill up all the API access token, username, and style ID. And because we have made it public, so everybody can see that one. So here I will give the name. So you can give any name you want. So I will give dark theme street view and click OK. Once I click OK, you will see the background changed. In this case, once I zoom in, you can see the 3D building setups as well, and you can see there are lights. So if we look at this particular view and the accidents view, if I try to analyze based on this. And most of the accidents, if you see, are at the intersection, the red lights. So the red heat map or the density shows that the number of accidents happened or the number of vehicles involved in the collision. So most of the red marks are at the intersections. And it also shows the traffic density. And if you see right now, the red show like there is too much traffic in these areas and there is less traffic in these areas. So that actually makes sense. The more traffic prone areas have more accidents and they are always, in this case, close to the traffic lights. So that way we can use these kind of maps anywhere based on our requirement and can change and customize the layout and design the way we want it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this session and will use this feature of MapBox, which is available and free as of now using MapBox Studio for everybody. And hopefully this will be helpful for you guys to do your another project. And feel free to let me know if you have any questions with the integration or any other questions regarding Mapbox. I will be happy to answer. Feel free to drop me a message or leave a comment in the section below.